You've seen this before. Not in real life, but in movies. Factories where machines build machines. Endless rows of humanoid robots, waiting to wake up. Scenes straight out of iRobot, or Ex Machina, or even the Terminator. But this time, it's not CGI. It's real. In Foshan, a major manufacturing hub in GBA, or Greater Bay Area, a new kind of factory has just come online. One that can produce a humanoid robot every 30 minutes. Up to 10,000 robots a year. Not prototypes, not lab experiments. Mass production. The future has quietly entered the assembly line. For decades, robots lived in two worlds, factories and science fiction. But this changes something fundamental. This is the moment robots stop being impressive and start becoming normal. So what happens when 10,000 robots a year leave the factory? Not just into industries, but into everyday life? Do they start at home, cooking your dinner, doing your laundry, cleaning your floors better than any vacuum ever could? Maybe your robot reminds you, hey, you've had enough coffee today. Or something a little less serious. It's Friday night. You're a tired salaryman in Tokyo, sitting in an izakaya or Japanese pub, and across from you, your robot, listening. Nodding, never judging, and definitely never telling your boss what you said. Or think about Japan, an well-known aging population. More elderly, fewer caregivers. Now imagine this, a robot that helps elderlies walk, talks with them, keeps them company when no one else is around. Not replacing humans, but filling a gap that's only getting bigger. Maybe they become companions, jogging with you in the morning, walking you home at night, keeping pace, literally, with your life. But that scene, the one from the movies, rows of humanoid robots, waiting. It's no longer fiction. It's a factory floor, and the question isn't if they enter our lives, it's how. In some cities, robots might patrol neighborhoods, escort people home safely, or even drive you back when you've had one too many. What's happening in Guangdong isn't just about robots. It's about scale. Design in Shenzhen, manufacture in Foshan, supply chains across the Greater Bay Area. This is how the future gets built. It sounds wild, even a little absurd, but so did smartphones once. So did electric cars. And now, they're everywhere. Of course, we're not there yet. These robots are still early, still expensive, still figuring out their place in the real world.